Viewers all over the world, for some of you that are seeing me for the first time, I'm Eze-Ana go to an orifite. I'm a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Nobody no ga one case you we see quite better tabo. Power of meditation. Power of meditation. No be show why. Here na check what give one again under the influence of my voice is that meditation is one of the keys that will catapult you to the greater heights. Ụfọdụ ndị aghọtara gbasara ọdịnala che na ọdịnala ends na-ewe ọjị ịtụ nzu maọbụ ịchụ aja maọbụ igbu anụ dị iche iche. No, ọdịnala Igbo spirituality is a spiritual movement. Ọ bụrụ na ịghọta ihe gbasara spirituality, you will be able to catapult yourself to the greater height, and you will be able to be operating in a higher frequency and vibrations. Igbo spirituality abụrụ sọ gị nwata ọjị gbuo anụ rie anụ chụọ aja. No, the powerhouse of the spiritual Igbo spirituality is the meditation. Ọtụtụ n'ime na amụrụ maka ya, mana I can tell you, not by this power of meditation ka iji wee ga-eji wee ike na-emove from layers to layer, as from lower vibration to higher vibrations. And onya ga-eme gị ka ikwunye onwe gị n'ọkụ. So gịnị ka na-ekwu maka ya? Ọ bụrụ na ịbụ onye chọrọ ito na Igbo spirituality, ị ga-agba mbọ apply those keys that will catapult you to greater height. And the high discourse tatabo meditation is one of the keys. Before we gaba n'iru na nkuzi anyị bịa tatabo bụ power of meditation. Ọkwa dị mkpa bụ echefuna na anyị nọ na month of May, and our monthly ritual for the month is still ongoing. This ụtụtụ ejego dị mchụ aja ka ọfụ kwupi okwu n'isi ndị na-esoyela all over the world. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịdọ esoyela anyị na monthly ritual, ị ga-eme ebe chat ya m na WhatsApp ka m gwazie gị other details I need for you in order to book you. I ga-edebe ya 3 prayer requests na ọta na-achụ aja na-aga ọfọ na-ekwubi okwu n'isi gaje na ọnwa agwụ. Yes, WhatsApp number ị ga-eji nweta m bụ 0805-7837-672 or 0813-8243871. Ma ọ na ya na screen gị ga-afụ my number. Ị ga-eji wee nweta m. Then ka anyị gabaziere n'isiokwu anyị ji bịa nkụzi ya ama eto ogologo. Ihe nwere ike imere onye fọrọ n'anya bụ tag ya the person, share this message ka onye a wee nụ from the horse's mouth. Gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? I attack, I discuss one of the principles that governs the universe. One of the keys, basic keys you will be applying on earth in order to move from point A to point B in your spiritual development. And that is the key is meditation. By the power of Chukwu Henine, I was privileged to have attained some level of spiritual maturity, and I can tell you without missing words that meditation is one of the great keys that opened the way. Meditation is one of the source you will be able to recharge yourself, and the meditation is across board. That is, meditation is one of the life wire of various spiritual sects and movements, because every group understands the power of meditation. It's via meditation you be inspired. It's via meditation you receive great knowledge, wisdom, and the inspiration to begin to do great things. So anytime you are living life outside meditation, believe in me, you just sooner or later you will be exhausted, because you are making good use of already made strength and power in you. But time will come when you exhaust that original power that came to this world with you. So what I'm saying is that meditation is a key. Meditation includes silent, whether you call it silent moment, silent hours, or you call it quiet moment, whatever way you put at it. But the most important thing is that meditation is a time set aside by you. There must be a time you set aside every 24 hours. It could be 5 minutes, it could be 10 minutes, it could be even 30 minutes, or even 1 hour, as case may be. What it means is that you isolate yourself from noise-making environment. It has worked for great minds, called ones, and even messiahs all over the time. Yes, Agwadangine will go messiahs from time to time, from every race of the world. Man, one of the principles that is very unique among all the messiahs and called ones is power of meditation. Is during meditation we will be inspired, we will be given messages. Some people will always ask me, I normally quote Bible. Yes, I quote Bible and I cite Bible. Why I normally do so is one, because I used to be a Bible scholar. Two, 80% of my audience have come across Bible one way or the other. So I will use what you know to cite my examples. Even if you are reading the New Testament concerning the story of Jesus, you will understand that from time to time, agwa you always got onwe we gani me pamobu na nelu gije. Even the ancient books, yes, the ancient books. Some of the times, most times, some of the prophets of the old, some from time to time, they will go to wilderness, they will go to forest, they will go to mountain to pray. Why is it so? Then moving yourself to quiet environment will make you to denoise yourself. You know, we are living in a life of that's full of hustling and bustling, noise everywhere. You are thinking about earthly challenges. So, but whenever you take yourself away from noisy environment, and so that you will be able to present yourself before the presence of the entities of powers. Don't forget, we have earthly entity elemental beings that normally help us in order to activate our the real us. That include the sets, the salamander, the gnomes, the elves, the mammals, the water sprites. There are many. Yes, but I decided to mention few. But what I can tell you is this: make sure you align yourself with supernatural forces, because they are bedrock. So from time to time, denoise yourself, move away from a noisy environment, go to where you will pray, meditate, and ask some vital questions to yourself. The real you, the core you. The questions go like this: after praising your forces and interacting with them, ask them, what did they want you to do? Then listen to your inner being. You must get one answer or the other on what you must do in order to begin to change what is happening in your life. Life is beyond church or job. Be a type of person that talk less but act more. Always pay attention to your spiritual revival or recharging yourself, because I can tell you without missing words, if you refuse to charge your phone, it's just a matter of time, days, hours, your phone will shut down and you'll be disconnected from your friends and businesses that has to do with your phone call. The same thing with spiritual matter. If you refuse out of your own ignorance to keep recharging yourself, it's just a matter of time. You will be isolated, you will be disconnected from your spiritual forces. Because by meditation, from time to time, you keep recharging yourself. You keep recharging yourself. And by recharging yourself, you're able to energize your spiritual vibrations. So what am I saying? Oge mmadụ ji akwụnye onwe ya n'ọkụ. You can even call it spiritual exercise. What is important is when you will isolate yourself, take less of worldly earthly things, then take more of meditation. Oge iji anọ board meeting with your spiritual forces. Kede ha maka nke ha mere eme. Yọọ ha maka nke imetọrọ. Gwazie ha here we are plans, aims and objectives. Then gwazie ha ha mee ka ọbịbịa bịara n'ụwa ghara ibu ihe efu. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ lost go focus and even vision. They don't even know why they existed. Some thought that their existence is just to come and eat and marry. They don't know that there is a reason why you are created, and that's the reason why, one of the reasons why you are created is to make an impact. And when you hear fulfill that's your earthly mission. But some people would like thinking that earthly existence is all about to come and eat, marry, and indulge in jamboree lifestyle. Life is beyond that. There is a reason why you are created and permitted to be here. So you must discover the purpose of life and why you are here. Some people keep on living life of another people. You must discover your true calling. You must focus your mission. Focus on why you are here. Stop living life of another person. Some people keep on living life they normally act in the movie, and they're not supposed to be. So from today going forward, since you are under the influence of my voice, I can tell you without missing words, there are some people, because of their crying and because of their longing, this message, I was permitted to release this message today. And I believe that those people that this message is meant for, by the time they hear this message, it will be of great benefit to them. So what am I saying? Pay attention to the spiritual you, because it can only give your life a meaning by discovering your existence and by recharging yourself from time to time, so that you will be able to move from point A to point B, and so that you will be able to harass whatever that is harassing you in life. The spiritual control the physical. Let me tell you one thing. Before anything will happen in this gross material world, that thing must have taken on form in the spiritual realm. Whether that thing will happen in the land of the living depends on the action. So I can tell you what your action today determines how your tomorrow will be. Some people normally live in the past or in the future. They will be telling you in future, I want to be this one, I want to be this one. But he refuses to know that if you want your future to be shiny, then you have to work it out today. It's your action today that determines how your tomorrow will be. But if you keep on living in dilemma, you keep on dreaming, thinking about that tomorrow will be better, and today that you are living, it does nothing with your time. It did not shape your tomorrow. Don't you know that how you build your today determines how present your tomorrow will be? Some people don't understand it. Yes, life can never give you what you don't deserve. And stop living in another person's world. No. If you are living life of expectancy, life of dependence, you are dependent on other people, your destiny, build your destiny around people. That is wrong plan. Learn how to build the life you want to live by yourself. Stop depending on other people's effort or other people's dreams in order to succeed. Chart your own course by yourself. That is the only way you will take your destiny into your hands. But like me, I don't put my life or my future in anybody's hands, because people can disappoint you. So take your destiny into your hands, shape it the way you want it to be. You are the custodian of your life, and whatever life you wish to live in future is in your hands. Know that. Stop blaming anybody. Life, good life of your choice is in your hands. So whatever and however you want your life to your future life to be, your future experiences, begin today to work it out. What you sow today, so shall you reap. Galatians 6:7, and I quote, God can never be mocked. Whatever you sow is what you reap. It did not say what your father sow is what you reap, or what your family sow is what you reap. No, say whatever you sow, so shall you reap. Yes. Note, tough time never lasts, but tough people do last. Work out your dreams by yourself. Take your destiny into your hands, and it shall be well with you. Stop complaining. Stop complaining. Why you always go spiritual is to get innovation, to get vision, so that you put that vision and knowledge into work, and you begin to get good results. Some people do say that knowledge is power. I said no. Application of knowledge is power. We have a lot of people that have knowledge, but what do they achieve with it? Nothing. Sleeping and wallowing in negative dreams. You understand? So what is important is not knowledge, but application of that knowledge. Let me stop here. So in meditation, ask your chi, your forces, the right wisdom, the right knowledge in order to live this life and fulfill your earthly existence. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, I want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 78 37672. I repeat, 0805 78 37672. May the blessing of Chukwuoke Premi Henine be with you all. May you be protected, may you be favored, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya guys, yobu no mwa ajuji nwe na nkuzi echefukwara. Number ya jimota mbu 0805 78 37672 or 0813 8243 871. Ina na screen gig have numbers in that ball. Udo diro onye obula.